Want to know how to make money in 2025? Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or just looking for a side hustle, I've got the ultimate list of ways to earn money online and offline. Let's dive in. Chapter 1: Online Income Streams. First up, online income streams. You can start making money from the comfort of your home. YouTube channel. Create engaging content like this video and earn from ads, sponsorships, and memberships. Freelancing. Offer skills on Fiverr or Upwork, like video editing, graphic design, or AI automation. Affiliate marketing. Share product links and earn commissions when people buy through your referral. Print on demand. Sell t-shirts, mugs, and posters without handling inventory on Redbubble or Teespring. Online courses and ebooks. If you're good at something, teach it on Udemy or Teachable. Pro tip: pick one and focus on growing it into a steady income. Chapter 2: AI and Tech-Driven Opportunities. AI is taking over, in a good way. Here's how you can profit from it. AI content creation. Use AI tools to generate blogs, scripts, or social media posts. Prompt engineering. Sell high-quality prompts for ChatGPT or Midjourney. AI automation services. Help businesses integrate AI to boost their productivity. App and software development. If you can code, build AI tools and sell them. Chapter 3: Side hustles and gig economy. Want quick cash? Try these flexible side hustles. Virtual assistant. Help businesses with admin tasks remotely. Online tutoring. Teach English, coding, or any skill you know. Delivery and ride sharing. Drive for Uber, DoorDash, or Instacart. Handmade crafts. Sell custom gifts and artwork on Etsy. Chapter 4: The Future of Work. The future is digital. Here's where money will flow in 2025. AI-generated businesses. Use AI to automate blogs, video scripts, and designs. Metaverse and VR. Sell virtual real estate, NFTs, or digital experiences. Remote work and digital nomads. Travel the world while working online. That's how to make money in 2025. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips. See you in the next video.